Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn off time-based memories in Google Photos on computer. So how to turn off time-based memories in Google Photos on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Photos on your computer or laptop. This is the Google Photos display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the Settings menu. Now here you are in the Settings menu. And here there are lots of setting options that you can use. Scroll down and find the Memories menu. Now you have found it. And tap the Memories menu. Now it will appear like this. Scroll down. And tap here to turn off time-based memories. The function of this feature allows users to disable time-based memories in Google Photos so that notifications or old photo displays do not appear automatically. So that's it, the tutorial how to turn off time-based memories in Google Photos on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.